Hey, what's up XRP holders? So in this video we discuss about the XRP price target and 2022, my brother. Can they will hit, my friend, our target or not? Can they will reach or not, my brother? But first of all, you can see, my friend, this time the update of this coin, my brother, as minus 0.27%. The price is decreased now in last 1 hour, and the last 24 hours this change will be positive now. So congratulations for all of you, my brother. And last 24 hours all currencies is starting moving upward now. So it's a good news for all of you. In the last 7 days, as you can see, my brother, minus 12.24% they falls down. It's mean, my brothers, to all cryptocurrencies is very badly falls down and very terrible condition now. The price, as you can see, my brother, of XRP 0.8 USD dollar. This is, remember, my brother, because this is very important, and this, my friend, explanation now. So let's see, my brother, if we check out, this is the last 1 year chart, my brother, and you better understand, my brothers, to really there is a chance to they will hit our target or not. So, my brother, if you can see, my brother, especially in last months, this coin is completely starting moving upward now. Otherwise, you can see, my brother, they take a short jump, short fails, short jump, short fails. They cannot take a very huge jump, but my friend, but after promotion, every cryptocurrency is wake up. So therefore, as you can see, my brother, XRP is also starting moving upward now, and it's a very good news for all of you, my brothers. Today will give you a very good profit. But one thing, my friend, you can see they again fails down. Absolutely, after a jump, they coin fails down. So therefore, you can see they again come out to this point. The resistance line is come here, my brothers, to 0.9 USD dollar. They again fails now. So my friends, you can see they already touched the 1.8 USD dollar. So it's mean, my brothers, to I hope they will hit just in only easy 2 USD dollar, because this is very easy to they will jump here, my brother. So it's very easy now, and I hope, my brothers, they will hit 1.8 USD dollar to 2 USD dollar, my brother. But our target is, my friend, 5 USD dollar, my brother. It's a very high, very huge target, but our target is 5 USD dollar. This is possible because, my brother, just in only, my friend, in a few days they give you, my friend, 1 USD dollar. So it's mean, my brothers, too. The 5 USD dollar is nothing, my friends, for XRP. So let's see towards they do, my brother. But our prediction, my friend, you know, after this fails, they take a very huge jump now. So I'm 100% sure to upcoming time this coin is starting moving upward now, and holder are so lucky, my brother, if you are holder of this time, my brother. So this is very good news, my friend, for all of you. To this coin is completely going the moon now, but you need to, my brother, hold. Don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brothers, they will give you a good profit now. Please subscribe this channel for latest update. ABS Tech channel will guide you. ABS Tech channel will share your opinion, my brother. So kindly like this video, subscribe this channel.